The Border Management Authority says it's intercepted a drug consignment worth nearly 1 billion rand at the Beitbridge port of entry. Authorities say a truck entering South Africa from Malawi was flagged during an intelligence-led operation with scanners detecting suspicious cargo. A lengthy search uncovered about 713,000 grams of methaqualone, which is commonly used, we're told, in the production of Mandrax. 3 suspects have been arrested and are expected to face drug trafficking charges. Investigations are now underway into the destination of these drugs and possible links to a wider criminal network.
So iMalawians ezi-3 interceptwe eBeitbridge zikwitruck beziqhuba the substance ezenza iMandrax eziwetha i1 billion rand. So bekusezawubhujwa eSouth Africa ngabantwana. Umbuzo wami uthi kubani le ndoda enxiba iqhina ihlala somewhere bebezizisa kuye drugs, because obvious ikhona indoda enxiba uniform somewhere somehow uniform ethile. You understand? Bebengazizisa nje bebengazozibazo distributor ngokwabo. Aba bezawudivarisha base kwindoda ethile. Le ithethelela ama foreign. Le imileyo ithi amagana ngengakhange adahambe. Le la madoda amileyo betha phansi athi xenophobia. Even maybe nobantu ngomama, you never know. Abaphezulu kwindaba eziphezulu. Guys, we need to fight. Sizela abantwana le 1 billion yo guys hayisana kubi eSouth Africa. Ifuna thini eSouth Africa, ifuna politicians, ayifuna izinix na police ahlulwe. Ifuna thina guys silwe.
Bafowethu, into ongayazi inkulumo nawe. Ngaze ngaphoxeka ngenqwaba yama drugs abanjiwe engena kwiborder yase eMalawi. Ngaze ngaphoxeka. Bafowethu, kwenzakalani? Inqwaba engaka yama drugs awetha 1 billion. Inqwaba engaka yama drugs engena kwiborder yase Malawi ezofakwa eSouth Africa kuzobulawa ingane zethu. And again, abantu abanjengo Julius Malema, they still talking be embrace abantu bokufika, and worst thing ba embrace abantu bokufika abama illegal. Umalema namhlanje kade sakhuluma naka ama drugs namanje ecross ebanjwe esuke eMalawi esengena eSouth Africa. Inqwaba yama drugs azamaningi ama drugs, and still uJulius Malema namhlanje uyakhuluma. uJulius Malema ungathi akazazazi ukuthi he's a statesman, and uJulius Malema doesn't speak like a statesman. No guys, no, something wrong with the Juju. Something wrong with the Juju, guys. No, something wrong with the Juju. Something wrong with the Juju. Every time he speaks now, he's busy criticizing Mashi. He's busy embracing illegal foreigners. Aibo. Kuzama local election. 14 November this year, 2026. But uJulius Malema akakhulumi ngama election azoba khona. Akhulunywa ngokukhankasa. Ubusy ngezindaba ezingamdingi. Uma kukuthi ziyamdinga lezi ndaba uyakhathazeka ngezwe lase South Africa, funeke ngabe uyakuzwa ukukhala kwabantu no danger owenziwa ama illegal foreigners, nobungozi bokuthi sibe nama illegal foreigners. Funeke ngabe uJulius Malema uyayikhuluma, uyayibona lonto leyo, but he still want to insist. He further say into eyenziwe eGhana it was unnecessary. Besingeke isidingo ngoba kuzobe sengazi ukuthi sonke si involve kanti into eyenziwa abantu abathizeni lena. He is further talking nonsense. A statesman akafuna ukukhuluma njengomuntu westate, but ufuna ukukhuluma njengomuntu oyiphala. I don't understand. Njengoba nento ufuna ukukhuluma njengomuntu oyiphala, ushuthi umuntu odla ama drugs olapha. Because if uyi statesman, funeke ukhulume njengomuntu westate, sikuze ukhuluma kanjani. Angiphatheke kaMbalula. uMbalula, he never speak like a statesman. He's always breaking, like he was busy breaking chief whip we-ANC ekhuluma nonsense this uzi, and again uzoshlesha uJacinta ukuthi who she think he is. Ucabanga ukuthi uyini? ovela kwi-public bla bla bla. Lalela uJacinta loya nkosikazi womuntu loya. uMrs Zuma for your own sake. Ngeke guys. The lack of leadership in our country. Sisenkingeni wey'ngane zakwethu. Sisenkingeni. Asibaceli abantu abanje abazosimoshela zibe zivele iy'ngane zethu zimoshwe ngama-drugs zigcwele le nale kunhlanga imuka nomoya, but sizoba nabantu abathenjiwe kuthiwa ama-leader, but baqhubeka bazokhuluma inonsense, baspreada more nonsense kwi-society. No guys, no, we're in a big mess. We're in a big mess. We are in trouble. We are not safe anymore. We are not safe anymore. Why really funeke ngempela ukuthi isimo sikanje wena you busy uzogxekana ngeMashemash. Awukhulumi ngamaplane ukuthi ukhankaso kuzohamba kanjani kwenzakaleni. Ubusy kwimedia uzogxekana neMashemash. Yini le wrong iMashemash yenza? Kuhle ngani ukuthi eSouth Africa sibe nama-illegal foreigners amaningi kangaka? Just look at lawa ahambile izolo aseGhana. 300 foreigners ahambile aseGhana. Only 10 of them abe nemaphepha ukuthi abe la eSouth Africa, but onke lawa amanye are-illegal. And still wena Joyce Malema uyiboni into wrong ngalokho. And namanje you still coming today uzokhuluma uzogxeka iMashemash. Stop this nonsense. Listen, we are Mashemash now. Njengamanje Julius Malema funeka ukuzwe ukwazi lokho. It must sink into your brain. We are Mashemash, Julius Malema, and Mashemash is us. Njengamanje we don't want to hear nothing about politicians. Nothing. Anisenzelanga lutho asinathwa, but njengamanje we are Mashemash. Njengamanje we are Phakela Umthakathi, and Phakela Umthakathi is us. Njengamanje we are Ngizwe Mchunu, and Ngizwe Mchunu is us. We want people abazosiyisa phambili beklina saklina njengamanje. Kuningi okuzoklina masiqale siklina ama-illegal foreigners. And kuklini guys, imandla clean asibazondi abantu abasuka kwamanye ama-African nation country. Babafowethu, we don't hate them. Asibazondi. Listen to this, asibazondi. But into ithi, if ungangenanga ngesango, kumele uphindele emuva uyolungisa amaphepha bese ungena ngesango. Into ithi uma ungangenanga ngesango ufohlile. Uma ungenawo amaphepha ukuthi ube la eSouth Africa ufohlile. Abethu base-South Africa bahamba bayobhaca ngale, abazange bavule ama-spider shop, abazange bedayisa ama-drugs, abazange bezenze zonke lezi zinto. Kuthini kuwena Julius Malema njengoba kungena ama-drugs from Malawi awetha u-1 billion? Kuthini kuwena? There's too much drugs. There's too much drugs, Julius Malema. Uthini ngalonto leyo? And asikuzwa uqhamuka uzokhuluma ngaleyo nto namhlanje ukuthi naka ama-drugs asengenile. Uthini ngalokho? Asukuzwa ukhuluma nge-incident eyenzeka la eThekwini, amaphoyisa abamba ama-Nigerian emotweni ayelesha abantu besifazane befile befakwe ama-drugs engaphakathi kubona kodwa bebulewe befile. Asikuzwa ukhuluma ngalonto leyo, but you busy speaking about Mashemash. You busy ukhuluma ngabantu okuyibona abenza something for umphakathi wase-South Africa. Kungani ugxeka abantu abenza into engcono for umphakathi? Wherever you benefiting, when you benefiting kubantu bangaphandle abama-illegal, ungasifaki thina lapho. We don't get involved into that. Don't involve us. We don't want to be involved. Yihle wedwa imali yakho but ngusuku usifaka. Njengamanje singabahlali baseMzansi sithi we don't want to have illegal foreigners, but legal foreigners. But our brother that has papers, documents, they are okay. They can stay in the country. Julius Malema. Hear this. They can stay in the country. They can come and stay and work in the country. But if they don't have documents, they must go. They must go. Simple as that. And stop criticizing Imash and Mash. We're sick and tired of you now.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, kutholakala i-medication worth $1 billion and kuthiwa leyo medication leyo iyo ekuhlanganiswa nayo kwenziwe i-Mandrex. And guess what? Abantu abatholakale naleyo truck leyo abantu baseMalawi. And my question is, ubani lo ophethe, like lo sesikhundleni lo ophethe owase South Africa? Because believe me, you angeke ize ilona i-medication yokwakha i-Mandrex worth $1 billion isuke wherever la isuka khona ize eSouth Africa kungekho umuntu owase South Africa osesikhundleni ophethe o involved in this. Siyazi sonke ukuthi ama politician wethu or abantu abaseyikhundleni ba involved kule syndicate le. Ngizokhumbula ukuthi sine big 5 esingayazi till this day ukuthi abobani leyo big 5 le. Laba vumela ukuthi kungene ama medication aso eSouth Africa azofitwa kuzokwakhiwa ama drugs azofitwa i-youth yase South Africa kuzobulawa ikusasa lase South Africa. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.